Hello DIYers and woodworkers, ready to upgrade your woodworking game. In this video, we're counting down the 10 coolest woodworking tools you need to see in 2025. Tools that are smarter, faster, and more precise than ever before. From track saws and brushless nailers to laminate trimmers and next-gen saw systems, these picks are perfect for DIYers and pro carpenters alike. Without further ado, let's get started. Achieve perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts in sheet goods and hardwoods effortlessly, every single time. Meet the RYOBI Brushless Track Saw, the ultimate upgrade for your ONE+ ecosystem. Seamlessly combine the two included 27.5-inch tracks for 55 inches of guided splinter-free cuts in sheet goods, or expand further with additional tracks for limitless continuous ripping. Harness brushless power for effortless cutting, integrated dust extraction for cleaner workspaces, and pro-grade features like 0 to 55 degrees bevel capacity and instant electric braking. Experience cordless freedom, unwavering accuracy, and transformed efficiency, all engineered for serious creators. This saw is perfect for carpenters, cabinet installers, and serious DIYers needing portable professional precision. Fast and reliable fastening is essential in framing, finishing, and construction work for strong, efficient results. Meet the Makita Brushless Cordless Nailer, a brushless motor that delivers effortless power rivaling pneumatic guns while eliminating hose hassles. The intelligent depth dial ensures precise countersinking across materials, powered by an 18-volt brushless motor, paired with a zero-mar tip to protect finished surfaces. Switch seamlessly between sequential bump fire modes for control or speed, while the anti-jam tech and dry fire lockout maintain your workflow rhythm. Tool-free quick clearing and lightweight ergonomics make it your relentless partner from sunrise to punch-out. Built for framers, roofers, and builders who refuse downtime, combines pneumatic-grade power with battery agility to outwork traditional guns. Handling outdoor cutting jobs swiftly and efficiently needs a tool that is both powerful and simple to use. The GREENWORKS SKU chainsaw is a cordless electric chainsaw designed to provide excellent performance while producing low noise and zero emissions. Its brushless motor provides longer runtime, higher torque, and longer motor life. Whether cutting branches or cutting tiny logs, the portable frame and ergonomic grip give good control and comfort for extended usage. This type has toolless chain tensioning for quick adjustments and an automated oiler to keep the chain in top condition. Its push-button start avoids the inconvenience of gas engines, and the robust bar and chain let it easily tackle thick wood. Ideal for property owners, cultivators, and outdoor lovers who want a portable, smooth-cutting option, making it a great choice for neat, tidy, quiet, and successful yard work. A small, accurate sander is essential for creating smooth, elegant finishes, whether used on decor, corners, or intricate surfaces. The Black & Decker Mouse Detail Sander features an enhanced design with improved dust collection, increased power, and a more compact shape inspired by the ergonomic form of a computer mouse. Its lightweight body offers excellent control without hand strain, while the pointed sanding base allows easy access to tight angles and corners. The upgraded dust canister keeps your work area clear, and the quick change hook and loop sanding papers make grit changes fast and simple. Its simplicity of use and efficient performance make it ideal for DIYers seeking professional results in difficult-to-reach areas that are clean, controlled, and consistent. A combination planer and thicknesser is an economical way to flatten and resize wood in tiny workplaces or restricted locations. The SCHEPPACH Thicknesser provides tremendous performance in a small tabletop design by integrating planing and thicknessing capabilities into a single machine. Its powerful 1,250 watts engine and 9,000 RPM blade speed enable quick and clean processing of a variety of wood kinds. It has 2 carbide-tipped planer edges and can remove more than 2 millimeters in just one pass, while leaving clean, accurate finishes. The metal die-cast planing table provides stability, and mechanical height adjustment by hand crank enables precise thickness control. Additional features, such as vibration-damping rubber soles and a dust extraction outlet, add to a safer, cleaner, and more pleasant experience. The SCHEPPACH is ideal for DIYers, amateurs, and professional woodworkers working in small areas, as it allows for a smooth transition between planing and thicknessing. Specialized carving tools, such as the ball gouge, are required for creating intricate and effortless curves in wood turning and shaping tasks. The ARBORTECH ball gouge is intended for precise and easy contouring of concave surfaces. Its distinctively rounded cutting head provides for controlled material removal through smooth, flowing cuts. Its thin, ergonomic handle gives a secure grip and decreases user fatigue after extended usage. The tool's long-lasting steel blade keeps its sharpness and delivers clean surfaces, even on rough wood. This gouge is suitable for beginners as well as professionals who want greater precision and efficiency in their slicing work. A small, portable table saw with accuracy and power is required for flexible and effective woodworking on the road. The FESTOOL cordless table saw is incredibly small, fitting nicely within a cisterner for convenient transport. Despite its compact size, it provides surprising flexibility. Parallel slices up to 280 millimeters, divided sizes up to 450 millimeters, and bevel edges ranging from -2 degrees to 47 degrees. Its innovative digital controls produce extremely exact results, down to the 1/10 of a millimeter. Powered by a 2x 18-volt twin battery set as well as a brushless EC Tech engine, it performs similarly to corded machines. When combined with the stand, it creates an ideal mobile workstation, allowing for easy transit from vehicle to task site. This saw is great for employers and DIYers who want precise, high-power cutting on-site, eliminating the need for wires. The accuracy measuring instruments are required for correct plans in woodworking, cabinets, and other fine detail projects. The Woodpeckers Hexscale rule is designed with a non-roll hexagonal body for stability on any flat surface. It has laser-etched, wear-resistant indicators for imperial and metric, which make it simple to see from any angle. It's lightweight and sturdy, thanks to its anodized aluminum construction. The included end stops give repeated reference points, allowing for speedier layouts. Available in a variety of lengths, this rule strikes a compromise between utility and outstanding construction for demanding users. This instrument is ideal for woodworkers, machine operators, and professional hobbyists who need accurate measurements without guessing. A precise laminate trimmer ensures clean edge cuts, prevents damage, and maintains a professional finish in woodworking and cabinetry projects. The Milescraft laminate trimmer is designed for accuracy and control. This razor has a dual-sided handle and is suitable for both left and right-handed customers. It can cut straight as well as curved edges with normal razor blades. Its strong design incorporates both metal and plastic components to provide balance and longevity during operation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or an artist, this tool consistently produces fast, precise, and smooth laminate finishes. Accurate and clean cuts are vital in woodworking, whether you're building furniture, laying floors, or framing walls. Meet the Wokin Circular Saw, Engineered for performance, offering a powerful 1,300 watts motor with a 4,500 RPM no-load speed to cut through various materials effortlessly. It's a 7 1/4 inch blade with supports for bevel cutting from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, while the integrated laser guide ensures precision with every pass. Designed for durability and user safety, it features a robust die-cast metal guard and an automatic lock-off button to prevent accidental starts. The package includes essential accessories like a TCT blade, guide ruler, and carbon brushes, so you're ready to work right out of the box. Ideal for woodworking tasks, it saves time, reduces material waste, and delivers consistently clean, accurate cuts for better project results. That wraps up our list of the 10 coolest woodworking tools of 2025. Tools that are not just impressive, but incredibly useful in the shop. Which one are you adding to your setup? Drop it in the comments below. If this video gave you new ideas for your workshop, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our next tool breakdown, gadget guide, or woodworking gear review.